Hi there. This is another tag journal. I've become obsessed with this journaling form. It's just so much fun and so portable. This is a metal ring I use. And these are tags and a tag journal that I created while vacationing in Sanibel Island over the holidays. This top tag is just a piece of basically scrap paper where I was experimenting with some techniques, some India ink and some spray dyes. So I cut it in the shape of a tag and punched a hole in it. And then Sanibel Island is known for its shells, so I figured out a way to attach the shell, which is using wire. And then this is from a wrapper, and the white around the image is gouache. And then just to cover the wire on the back, I glued another piece. And then I was playing with water media and found that some of these tags will hold it pretty well. So I did some real quick watercolor sketches on the back of some of these tags. I did journal entries. And, you know, of course the island colors are just fabulous, as are the clouds. And I used different size tags. And I did some just sketching from memory. These are some of the animals that we saw, common sightings, which was, I love the alligator. And then just a real quick sketch of the lighthouse that we did see. That's the lighthouse we thought we were going to see. And then it was really fun to just simplify and look at all the flowers around me and capture just the color of the flowers. And when I got back home, I found this yarn that I really liked, and that just reminded me so much of the floral colors. So I sewed that on. Let's see if you can see in the back. Yeah, there's the zigzag stitch. So I actually put this tag under the machine. Look at this piece of coral I found. Perfect heart. That was really cool. And then we did a lot of puzzles, and this one company, Liberty Puzzle, makes fabulous puzzles. And that was an extra piece. I didn't steal it out of the puzzle box. That was just a piece that I had in the house. Another shell I found. Can you see that? And just to highlight it, I put it on this background, and that was a pin sitting around on my art studio table, so I threw that on and then just covered up the back. And then this was just a recording of our itinerary, and then I love this shell guide, so I attached that to a tag as well. And I folded it so it fit on here. And we just got this shell guide at one of the local markets. And this tag journal will hang along with all my other tags.